Bienvenidos! Today we're going to be making one of my all-time favorite Cuban dishes, bistec empanizado, breaded steak. You can also make this recipe with chicken, but I figured I haven't made a steak recipe for you guys yet. So why not start with one of my all-time favorites? I must confess, we don't make this recipe often in my house, pero como dice mi papá, una vez al año no hace daño. In English, once a year doesn't hurt. So we're gonna be making that today. So let me show you some seasonings. We got adobo, onion powder, garlic powder, sazón completa, black pepper, and last, galleta molida. You're going to want to get this. You might not be able to find it in your regular grocery store. You're probably going to have to go to a Latin market, but definitely go searching for this because your bistec empanizado is not going to be as good if you use breadcrumbs. It's not going to be authentic Cuban bistec empanizado. So look for that and let's get cooking. So to start prepping our bistec, we're gonna take our thinly sliced shoulder meat and we're gonna put it on a wax paper here. Get it flattened out here. Make sure no pieces are folded under. There we go. And we're going to put our other wax paper on top. To remove our steak and start flattening the next one. So now we're ready to get started seasoning our bistec. We're going to start by adding some lime juice. By the way, this is freshly squeezed lime juice. Now some red wine. Ground black pepper, sazón completa. I use one without MSG. Onion powder. Garlic powder, and adobo. Now, just flip them over and season them the same way on the other side. Give really amazing flavor to our bistec. Without these onions, the steak is lost. Now just wrap it up and put it in the fridge for a few hours, or for best results, overnight. That's it. ready to get started breading our bistec. So I have some sazon completa here. I'm gonna add that to my galleta molida a little bit. All right, and then I have 2 eggs here. I think that'll be enough, but if you need more, then you can get more later on. Just beat that really good. All right. And now we're gonna take our first bistec here. And we're going to put it in the egg wash. Coat it really good. Alright. Oops. There we go. Now we're gonna take it over to our, make sure you got a good grip on it, and take it over to our galleta molida and lay it there. And you're going to have to get your hands dirty here. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. And we're going to throw some galleta molida over top. Coat the whole top. Really good here. And then we're gonna want to press really good and keep coating. Whenever you see a wet spot, keep coating with more galleta molida. If you want, when you're frying, for the breading not to fall off, you gotta make sure you coat your steak really, really good. So I cannot stress enough how important it is to really press in the galleta molida into your steak. Now we're gonna flip it over here. And we're gonna pile some more on. Press it on this side now. Press it really good. See, that's getting wet there. We're gonna wanna add some more galleta molida there and press it in. Here it's getting wet, so I'm gonna put some more there. Side. See, it's coming through again here. It's a little wet there. And that is that for now. We're gonna put this aside. If you start seeing any more wet spots later on, you could take it back and bread it again. But for now, we're gonna let it rest and we're gonna get started with the next piece of steak. I'm gonna show you guys how to make some Cuban style rice to go with it. So I have my Instapot pressure cooker here, and we're going to put in 2 cups of rinsed and drained rice. I just rinsed and drained this. Make sure I get it all out of there. And then 2 cups of water. Little masola oil. Stir it up a bit. And a little bit of salt. Now it's ready to get cooking. Just close it, and on my particular cooker, you hit manual, and it will start. Now we're ready to start frying our bistec. Take good hold of it and carefully put it in the oil. Ooh. I'm going to turn down the heat a little bit, and I'm going to use my splatter guard here. So our bistec is ready to take out. See how nice and golden it is? I'm going to take our plate and our strainer here and carefully lift it on here. Ooh, look at how beautiful that is, and it smells even more beautiful than it looks. Here is a full-on authentic Cuban meal. Look at this plate. Can you believe it? Can you believe how beautiful this bistec empanizado came out? Oh my goodness, I can't wait to dig into this, you guys. I'm gonna have to let you go. I will see you in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.